V3 is undoubtedly the best AI video generation model, but it also costs you $250. That is not a small amount. But in that price, you get results like this.
I got it.
But in this video, I'm going to share how to get V3 for free. So without any further ado, let's dive in. And to show you that it actually works, here are some of the examples that I have already generated with this AI tool.
I found it how to get it for free.
And look at the results. Isn't it amazing? And to show you that it actually works, let me show you a live example. So for example, I'm going to give it a prompt like, a leader of apes with alpha traits leading his group and saying in anger, "We will beat the humans. We are not slaves anymore." Cinematic short inspired by the Planet of the Apes. So it could take 3 to 5 minutes. And here's the output video.
We will beat the humans. We are not slaves anymore.
Amazing, amazing quality, amazing voiceover. Now, if you're thinking that I have purchased the subscription just because you can see the Pro icon, that's not the case. So if I search for V03 and click this Gemini link, we will be redirected to this page. And if I just go ahead to the subscriptions option, you can see we are getting Google AI Pro for free for 1 month. Initially, V3 wasn't included in the Pro plan. And if you just go to the details, you can see you get more access to the most capable models like the 2.5 Pro, deep research on 2.5 Pro, and unlock video generation with a limited trial of V03. And another way you can access our AI filmmaking tool, custom built with V3, to create cinematic scenes and stories. So you can access V3 for free with 2 different ways. You can access this from Gemini. You can also access this with the flow that I'm going to share later in the video. And if we talk about V2, you also get access to V2 inside of Visk AI and even in Flow AI. And if you struggle to find this page, just go to this URL, gemini.google/subscription, and you will have this interface in front of you. Then just click on Get Started and get Google AI Pro. Then hit Agree and then add any of your debit card details. Well, don't worry. It's not going to charge you anything because this is the 1 month free trial. And you can just cancel this subscription after the usage of 1 month if you want to. And once you have done that, you will have access to V03. And there are a couple of ways to access this. First, you can access this with Gemini, but it doesn't allow you to upload any image. It only supports text to video. And for image to video, you can just go to Flow AI, and here is the URL. You can also search it and then hit Create with Flow, and then you will have this interface in front of you. So here you can see we have text to video, frames to video, and we have ingredients to video. But unfortunately, the ingredients option is only available to Ultra subscribers, but we are still getting text to video and image to video. Now let's try something with image to video. So if I click on frames to video, now I have the option to upload the image. So let's select this image, and in the prompt section, I'm going to type, "An ape is beating his chest in anger and challenging others." And from the settings, make sure to select V03. And V03 is going to cost you 100 credits for a single generation. But if you generate with V2 with the fast mode, it's going to cost you 10 credits. But V2 quality mode also costs 200 credits. So make sure to select version 3 and hit generate. So here we have 2 outputs. This is the first output.
And this is the second output.
Well, obviously your video outputs depend on your prompt. So in the Pro plan, you get 1,000 credits. But if you think you are running out of credits, you can just go ahead to Gemini AI, and you can also generate some videos from here. It doesn't mention how many videos you can generate inside of Gemini AI, but I think you can generate almost the same amount of videos. So that's how you get V3 for free. Yes, there is no trick, no shortcut, but Google is officially offering you V3 for 1 month. So why not avail this offer? So that's it from today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.